بلى من كسب سيئة وأحاطت به خطيئته فأولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
Those who earn evil and are encompassed by their sinfulness are the people of the fire, and there will they abide.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
Those who believe and do righteous deeds are the people of the garden, and there will they abide.
وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ لَا تَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا وَذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَقُولُوا لِلنَّاسِ حُسْنًا وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ ثُمَّ تَوَلَّيْتُمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا مِنكُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ مُعْرِضُونَ.
And recall when we made a covenant with the children of Israel, you shall serve none but Allah, and do good to parents, kinsmen, orphans, and the needy. You shall speak kindly to people, and establish prayer and give zakah, purifying alms. And yet, except for a few of you, you turn back on this covenant, and you are still backsliders.
وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ لَا تَسْفِكُونَ دِمَاءَكُمْ وَلَا تُخْرِجُونَ أَنفُسَكُمْ مِنْ دِيَارِكُمْ ثُمَّ أَقْرَرْتُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ تَشْهَدُونَ.
And recall when we made a covenant with you that you shall not shed one another's blood, and shall not turn out one another from your homelands. You confirmed it, and you yourselves are witnesses to it.
ثُمَّ أَنْتُمْ هَؤُلَاءِ تَقْتُلُونَ أَنفُسَكُمْ وَتُخْرِجُونَ فَرِيقًا مِنْكُمْ مِنْ دِيَارِهِمْ تظاهرون عليهم بالإثم والعدوان وإن يأتوكم أسارى تفادوهم وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض فما جزاء من يفعل ذلك منكم إلا خزي في الحياة الدنيا ويوم القيامة يردون إلى أشد العذاب وما الله بغافل عما تعملون.
And here you are, killing one another, turning out a party of your own from their homelands, aiding one another against them in sin and enmity. And if they come to you as captives, you ransom them, although the very act of expelling them was unlawful to you. Do you believe in a part of the scripture and reject the rest? What else then could be the retribution of those among you who do this, than that they should live in degradation in the present life, and that on the day of resurrection they should be sent to the severest chastisement? Allah is not heedless of what you do.